Here we are in beautiful Colorado, doing the 4-pass loop, starting hours later than anticipated in classic fashion. Should be a good one.
Right now, we're at about 10,400 feet elevation. Trail's flat for the time being, but every time I start to go uphill, I start huffing and puffing and dying, and can't figure out if it's because I'm way higher than the elevation I live at, or if it's because I'm on the tail end of this cold.
While there may be rain on the horizon, there is also sun, and we are ever the optimist. Thankfully, the forecast has been better than what we initially anticipated. Thankfully, we're not getting rained on. It does look pretty rough up towards the bells, but that's what Saturday's for.
Oh yeah, sleet's coming down better, and I love it. I love weather.
Back down into the apparent safety of the nice spruce trees. Riley got a little cold.
Yep.
But that's what you get when you don't put on a rain jacket and it's raining. So, because we camped early, shy of our permit destination last night, we now got to make up those extra 4 or 5 miles and then do an extra 6 or so. So probably something like 10, 11 on the day and 2 passes. The rain's pretty light right now. Probably gonna have terrible visibility, but we should be okay as long as it doesn't get much worse.
We've made it to the top of Trail Rider Pass, our first pass of the day and second of the trip, and Randy and I agree, this felt much better than yesterday's. I think our bodies, even though we've only been out here about 24 hours, they're definitely already acclimatizing to this.
And the weather's been nicer up here too.
Yeah, no real rain today, which is amazing. Well, what do you know? The sun is out and bright and beautiful and shining just as we'd finish our descent. Come upon a stream down there. I think it's calling for a little swimming. As long as that those clouds stay away from us. But you can see what might be coming in. It's time for the best part of every trip. Don't mind Randy's nudity. Just enjoy the surrounding scenery.
Oh yeah, for sure. The cold water ritual thing is a hard one to explain. All it took was a little dose of sunlight and a crisp looking mountain river, and everybody strips naked and hops in. I mean, it could very easily start raining at any moment.
This trip has been one long session of the on-off game. Rain jacket on, rain jacket off. Rain jacket on, rain jacket off. Hoping though, today will be the last of that. We are very optimistic that we will not be touching any rain jackets tomorrow. We have made it to the top of pass number 3, second of the day, Frigidaire Pass. We were coming from down there. See, the clouds are starting to roll in, so we got up here in good time. There's Tyler, Randy, some other people doing the loop opposite direction of us, and here's where we're headed. Nice green, beautiful terrain, hopefully filled with sun and warmth and joy. Remember that beautiful sunny green hobbit looking stuff we were looking down at just a few minutes ago? Well, now we're in it. I guess we got the green. We definitely don't have the sun. Colorado loves to play tricks on us. Still playing the on-off game. Got my rain jacket back on. Well, the snow's a-blowing, and it's pretty awesome. We'll see what that means for our potential Maroon Peak summit tomorrow, though.
Okay, we made it to camp through snow and sleet and rain and corn and hail. Every type of thing that could fall from the sky, more or less, short of the apocalypse. So, but the fact that we're seeing this nice little sun glow out here is actually incredible. Not only that, but we got some real blue sky. Good morning. It is about 4:15 a.m. and we're gonna go do our best to see if Maroon Peak is climbable. And if not, we're up early. Like Skyrim. We've made it to the pack drop location for the summit attempt. Fingers crossed. Bit of a late start. Might be a turnaround in our future, but you never know if you don't try. In classic chocolate milk season fashion, we made it up here too late in the day to finish our objective.
Falling short once again.
But we're also feeling a little bit better considering that we have some snowfall. Still resting in a lot of these chutes that you need to go up to get to the top of Maroon Peak, which is obviously that guy. So we're feeling like we're once again making the smart decision that we truly kind of are becoming known for.
Unfortunately so. All we do is come close and fail. So.
On the bright side, this is the highest I've ever been, at a little over 13,000 feet. And this is easily one of the coolest 360 mountain views I've ever seen in my life.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's endless, monstrous mountains. They're surrounded by 14ers.
So that's a little bittersweet, but we're happy, which is all that matters. We got the packs back on, some water, some food. We're almost out of here.
Yep, of course, on the last day, we finally get the weather we came here for. Sunny, bright, beautiful, perfect weather for swimming in an alpine lake, but we can't do that. We gotta go.
Chocolate milk season only seeks out terrible weather. But it's been a very nice weekend, all jokes aside.